Yo, I'm Chris Roberts and I'm launching a brand new competition giving you the chance to win an amazing barbecue fire pit and loads of amazing PGI Welsh Beef. All you have to do is cook your own pimped up to the max Welsh beef steak sandwich and I'll pick out some of the best ones. To give you some inspiration, I'm going to show you how I pimp up my epic steak sandwich, and I've gone for the ribeye, bone-in ribeye, amazing fat, good marbling, really cool deep colour. This steak's been aged for 100 days. The Welsh black has lived an amazing life, eating Welsh grass, breathing Welsh air and mooing Welsh moose. So the reverse sear technique, it's really simple. I'm starting it off in the oven, then finishing off hot and fast. Bit of olive oil and salt. And with a steak this big, it'll be aggressive with the seasoning. About 160, gas mark 3 for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Let's get it up to 10. Into a hot pan, just about fits in the pan. Just get a really juicy steak. Now we've got to take it next level. Instead of butter, I'm using bone marrow. Bone marrow is God's butter. Give me some rosemary with a little flip. Oh. So just giving the side the sear. Essential part of the steak this big, you've got to let it rest. With any steak really rough, you've got to let it rest. So this here is liquid gold. Never throw that away. So I'm going to make a cool little dressing. Bit of Dijon, extra virgin olive oil, and a dash, just a small dash of red wine vinegar. The knife goes through just like that, man. Wow, look at that. So just a little bit of shallots, chili, and finishing off with this amazing steak infused dressing. Now I want to see your epic pimped up Welsh beef steak sandwiches. Good luck. And support your local butchers, support the farmers. Diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you.